Kick it off, we're gonna get started with some seated presses on the microwave. What you're gonna wanna do is find an old broken microwave, sit on it, grab a weight, then you're just gonna press it straight up over your head. All right, here we go. Oh man. Monday, 10 of everything. There goes the microwave. Woo. You'll know you're doing these right when the microwave starts to break a little bit. One more sweet rep. Yeah. We're gonna move on to microwave squats. You want to just grab your microwave, hit your squats, set of 10. Oh, it's leg day. Always do 5 more. Uno más. Gonna put your microwave down. Get your last set, bro. Woo! Let's go. Yes. That was good.